Ever pondered the fine line between dreams and reality? Imagine having the power to control your dreams, to weave the tapestry of your nocturnal adventures. This, dear listener, is the intriguing world of lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming is a state of sleep where one is fully aware that they're dreaming. Not only that, but they can also control the narrative of their dreams. It's like being the director of your own personal blockbuster, only the cinema is your mind. So how does one embark on this journey? It's a process, a journey of self-awareness, control and practice. Let's dive into it. Firstly, maintain a dream journal. Upon awakening, write down every detail you can recall from your dreams. The color of the sky, the scent in the air, the faces you saw. This practice enhances your ability to remember dreams, an essential skill for lucid dreaming. Secondly, perform reality checks frequently. These are simple tests to determine whether you're dreaming or awake. Try pushing your finger through your other palm. If awake, it won't pass through. If dreaming, it often will. The habit of performing reality checks can carry over into your dreams, triggering lucidity. Thirdly, use the mild technique, mnemonic induction of lucid dreams. As you drift off to sleep, repeat a mantra related to becoming aware in your dreams, such as, "I will know I'm dreaming." This primes your mind for lucidity. Next, consider the wake back to bed technique, where you set an alarm to wake up 5 hours after falling asleep. Stay awake for a short period, then go back to sleep. This technique can increase the chances of entering a lucid dream. Finally, practice meditation and mindfulness. Cultivating a calm, focused mind through these practices can be a game changer for lucid dreaming. It helps you become more aware of your thoughts and surroundings, both in waking life and in the dream world. In summary, lucid dreaming is a unique experience, a blend of the conscious and unconscious mind. To achieve it, start by keeping a dream journal and performing reality checks. Use techniques such as mild and wake back to bed to increase your chances of becoming lucid. And lastly, incorporate meditation and mindfulness into your daily routine. Remember, lucid dreaming is not a skill you can master overnight. It requires patience, practice, and persistence. But the reward is an incredible journey into the depths of your imagination, where the only limit is the sky. So why not give it a try? After all, who wouldn't want to take the reins of their dreams?